So here's my backyard, and I do have a little plot of vegetables over here. Wanted to just show you that today. Some of you have asked what my favorite vegetable is, and I don't know if I have a favorite exactly, but for growing, I really do like these beets. Beets are super low maintenance, really easy to grow, and they're amazing in salad. So easy, you just wrap them in aluminum foil and then stick them in the oven for about 40 minutes and the skin peels right off, and then you just cut them up for your salad. Also growing some onions and some carrots in here. As you can see, my garden here is kind of just a bunch of seeds thrown in. Not really planned very well this year, but I also do love peas because also low maintenance. They do require some water though, obviously, regularly. We're also trying to have a little strawberry patch back here. It's kind of working, but also requires regular watering. They are starting to send out some shoots, so it's a good sign. But yeah, beets. Thanks for coming to visit my house. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.